Hello, welcome to Kidapti Plus. So today I will teach you preposition of place. This one is preposition of place.
So this is the worksheet of preposition of place.
This is the worksheet of preposition of place.
Very good. So first question is,
The children are sitting. That's the table.
where are the children?
This one is the children under the.
Yes, good job.
Okay, the pillow is. That's the bed.
Pillow is
On.
yes. यहाँ पे देखिए कहाँ पे है? On the bed. और यहाँ पे क्या है? ये
The
क्या
crayons
है? Crayons
are. That's
in
the
the
box.
in the box.
In the box.
Very good. यहाँ पे कहाँ क्या क्वेश्चन है देखो?
There is a chair. That's the two dogs.
तो कहाँ पे है? There is a chair.
Between.
Very good.
ये है between the two dogs. एक chair and two dogs.
यहाँ पे
Fill in the blanks with prepositions of place. The water is. That's the class.
वाटर इज वाटर कहाँ पे है? In the glass.
In the glass. My father is sitting.
That's the chair.
That's the chair. On the chair.
Very good.
Sunday comes between.
Very nice.
Yes. Between Saturday and Monday. The mouse is hiding.
Hiding. क्या लिखा है? That's the bed. तो कहाँ पे है?
On.
Mouse is hiding.
In.
In नहीं हो सकता. Mouse is hiding under the bed.
Under the bed. इस साई ने क्या लिखा? The mouse is hiding under the bed. So
The next question is,
the next question is number 5. Jaya is sitting between Pia and Mia. The books are.
that's the bed. Books are on the bed.
On the bed.
On the table. Sorry. क्या लिखा है? On the table.
Okay.